The Apostle Paul, he says, I am not ashamed of the gospel, because the gospel is the power of God unto salvation. Because the gospel is not like the power of God, but the gospel, it is the power of God. So if you are hungry for the power of God, the only thing that you need, it is the gospel. The gospel is the good news. The good news and the good news of our Lord Jesus Christ and His finished work of the cross. Somebody shout Jesus. So Paul says, I am not ashamed of the gospel. The gospel is the power of God. The power of God is not hidden. It's not anything that is tangible. And the power of God is in the gospel. Where the power of God is hidden, it is in the gospel. All that we need, it is the gospel. Somebody shout the gospel. Somebody shout the gospel.